I'm Professor Cameron Werner. I am the Academic Lead for Psychology Programmes here at Walbrook Institute London. I've worked at a number of institutions, both in research and teaching. I've also worked across a range of clinical settings, including a chronic pain inpatient service and a psycho-oncology unit. Our psychology programmes give students the exciting opportunity to turn their interest in psychology into real career progress. We've designed them so that you can transition into a psychology role even if you didn't study psychology at undergraduate level, either to pursue further professional training or to integrate psychological knowledge into your existing career. Many of our students already work in people-focused roles such as education, healthcare, HR, coaching, social care, or the charity sector, and they're looking to deepen their understanding of human behaviour. Our programmes are structured to support learners from diverse academic and professional backgrounds. Studying at Walbrook offers a level of flexibility that traditional campus-based settings can't match. Our curriculum is delivered through interactive online teaching and applied learning tasks, which allows students to engage in the material while fitting study around work and personal commitments. We have weekly discussion forum posts to make sure that you feel connected to the learning community. Walbrook's approach is highly applied, and our modules continually link theory to real practice, making the learning experience immediately relevant to students' professional contexts. Psychology can open doors in so many industries because every organisation relies on understanding people, how we think, behave, make decisions and respond to change. For many students, it becomes a stepping stone into more senior responsibility because the programme builds evidence-based thinking, research confidence and a deeper understanding of the human behaviour that's highly valued in people-focused leadership roles. Psychology is a field that is always evolving with a constant stream of new research. In line with this, our curriculum is continually reviewed and updated in line with new research, as well as professional standards and emerging issues in the field. Our teaching staff bring experience from research, clinical practice and applied psychology, ensuring that modules reflect the realities of contemporary psychological work.